Viens TikTok et ayo giek be moi. Exactly, il a trouvé wa ya noye. Wa noye. You and Monica who get this girl, where you toast this girl, where you see this girl. Now inside person house. Person go come your house, come they toast your wife, come to say you take your wife. Person go come inside your house, come they toast girl. Now inside my house, neither they toast girl. Girl, when they help me, they do everything. You come, you they do service boy. Before you know, you want to betray everything. Okay, so that was how Lolekia was not happy. I said, no, Lolekia, you can't be happy with something I'll be saying. Now, bike are deaf. Now, in the local, you know the year word. Otherwise, not today I got the talker. So, Lolekia, now only you want, never accept you. I'm a baby. Are you crazy? All these things I'm saying. The people will do you know say I'm not lying. Then Lolekia one come talk. He say, make them tell me I swear motto. If Obo touch me, if Obo do this. Do you think you are in that position? You whenever even accept normal woman. Oh. I not even tell you today. Yesterday I said bring paper come for me for Austin, Chelsea, all of them. Today you say more go look for Austin, more go look for Chelsea. Come what about Austin? What about Ebano? Why not those two people? Hello, why Chelsea? Is Austin don't die? They don't do rest in peace for Austin for UK. Why not Maleke? On va not way Maleke lele woga arrive there now. Why you can say I don't give a F now. You wa. I be una mates. Where we be jeve na wa the poppy. Okay, so now you come to hear that quarrel today. Because Okpaika at the beginning, when I tell Okpaika, say, Lolekia do not have rights to say, it don't accept. I not do a boy wife for now, Obo do my girl. Obo betray me, Obo lie to my girl, Obo manipulate my girl, Obo take my girl inside my house. Hello? So, therefore, I say Lolekia, accept your own. Honor where na imoto ya vembo. I am very ready because na Lolekia de la na you know the fee and security do for back, not me. Anything where they do for back, if you come into the phone, I will accept it. Eliminate you, tabi by you, go on where you can. Wow, where normal life you live. Normal life. If 3 wawawa. It's not for you. Please stay away from it. Just like vibrator is not for you. Stay away from it. Awoyaya is not for you. Stay away from it. Let the people that know how to use it, let them enjoy themselves. It's a private thing. If no be Lolekia and native daughter no me, it's a private food. Very private. I tell you, I say one woman for social media. He approached me around Bina where who do you think you are? La Mario do These are fun. Everlasting good fun for those who know it. Never reach there. One can use and take do a shower for me. No, I don't they do a shower for that kind of thing. Mogian no they a shower. Oyibo they go holiday in with the UK Oyibo husband and wife that time. Go look them for Amsterdam. Oh, can I walk my wall or have fun or with me here? Yan ri owo yan ye marry me ropa maso no da fun wa yan mo kole labe o me won bo polygamy gbairan gbere unfaithfulness cheating full everywhere. You go to tell me. See husband is saying are you yourself is saying because your husband cheat on you cheat on your husband. I'm not like you. There's nothing you go to tell me. I'm a faithful child. I enjoy adult maturity. In close, I never disgrace anybody except the one that want to disgrace himself. I'm not in open marriage. Don't ever say that. No, I'm not in open marriage. Open marriage is when man, your husband go allow man do you. You too. go allow your husband do woman. I'm not in open marriage. No. No but I'm not in open marriage. Okay? Don't change it. If you change it, it's your own cup of tea. God will punish you. Don't change it. So, my people, na so way it happen today. Loleki akon swear moto. Iyan work by Kenya yana wazua. At first, or by be doing well. That's why I not can call back again. Even though my phone was 5 minutes to week, I wish you had one where I know let on. I know so now correct with me. I for still call. I'll say, Opaika, because I'm messing at mama or my can. Okay? Opaika. I will call back when I am home. But I saw her. I not tell una say Monica na daughter. No, in what way, Opaika? Stop it. You have children, you have daughter. Umay de no be back way. Umay be kind of area mama no be where I hear back way. Whoever. Don't call me what I am not. I am not Opaika. Whoever. Do your own, I do my own. Don't lie on me. Everything will not be native daughter, we go the claimer. Girl, where you come meet for our house, I can't be your girlfriend. Say we do your girlfriend. Now you take our girlfriend. Ole. Ojagbo Jamie. Tiana. At the end of the door, mobile or mobile no bogbe who was scatter who was nyano. Iba bofie kun le luwa. How I take your thing, Oji. You be a duro boy, you say you give me money because say you clean my house. You know they carry that your Sabaluma shoe enter my house. You know they wash cloth for my washing machine. Do you know how much it is to wash cloth on washing machine? You know they drink beer and Nikki for that matter. A duro boy that they drink 33 cent beer. You they drink Nikki. Do you know how much was Nikki? You go sit down, finish crate. I dey ask una, tomorrow is replaced. You know the smoke igbo. Do you know how much is igbo in abroad? You know the smoke igbo. You go wrap your own. Do you know how much is goat meat? Do you know how much is shishaki? Do you know how much is a fried yam, your favorite, and tilapia fish? You know how much? Do you know how much is months? One we be about one months be Mickey Wakota, a man a fresh in one gualo one. When you go no here? When you go no here? How much is it gonna be? You carry my children go school, make I can't pay you. Police say no. There is no contract for that. You use their house, you eat in their house, you cannot pay. Oh yes, I take care of yourself. They go. Ona so, ona gwale ke no na migo mamigo. Ona gwale ke no na gbedede mi ko ona smamwe mo re don na so amwe pa me here. Or you want me wa social media na carry up. Na give una na they dance. Hey, Monica, I never did. Never, ever, ever, ever. Opaika, you dey hear me when I dey swear. If I ever think of it, look at him and say, "Hey boy, now we are from there. Make the whole cause, the whole hour where they shall land. Make it by me, make it by my children, make it by my generation. From today, we una hear this matter, make una put wishes and wisdom and make sure that he reach me if I really do one. But if I not do one, no matter the wishes you wish, no matter how you guys say it, nothing will ever happen to me and my family. I never did. Never ever. Everything